Let's take a look at the Ninja 2-in-1 blender. This works as both a personal blender and a multi-serve blender. The large 2.1 litre jug is perfect for making big batches like sauces, purees or frozen cocktails for the whole family. But it also comes with a 700ml single serve cup with a spout lid, so you can blend your morning smoothie and take it straight out the door. You've got preset programs like Auto IQ Blend, Auto IQ Max Blend and Auto IQ Crush, so you can press one button and it does all the work for you. It's easy to use too, just select your program on the LCD display and it will start blending. This is powered by a 1200 watt motor combined with stainless steel pro extractor blades, which means it handles tough ingredients without any hassle. This means it can handle tougher ingredients like ice, nuts and frozen fruit, all the things that a weaker blender would struggle with. Plus you've got 3 speed settings and a pulse function, so you're always in control of the exact consistency that you want. And all the attachments are dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy.